Start your narration.
Good morning, gentlemen. I perceive four characters in my story. The main character of my story is Manoj, who is a newly appointed forest officer. One evening, on his field duty, an old lady came to him, informing him that she has lost her buffalo, which was the only source of her livelihood. Noticing the problem, he asked his forest guard to go for the search team, and also asked them to search where she has lost, where near the streams of the river, and also took information whether any carnivore activity was noticed in the nearby area. After the half an hour, the buffalo was found, and he returned the buffalo to the old lady and asked the old lady to not come into the forest restricted area, because it's a restricted area, and also he checked all the checkposts so that nobody can enter the forest area. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. From the given picture, I have perceived four characters. Two of them are male, while the other two are female. The action of my story is self-defense campaign for girls. The central character of my story is Sandhya. Sandhya, a 55-year-old female, is the sarpanch of a village near Billor. From the past few days, many villagers had complained to her about the eve-teasing events that are being committed by some boys from the neighboring villages. So, Sandhya looks into the matter and informs the police. She also urges the policemen to run a campaign that could teach self-defense to the girls of the village, so that in the near future there is no eve-teasing incident that takes place and any unforeseen incident can be avoided. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. In my point of view, I perceive four characters, out of which three of them are male and one is of female, and their age is around 20 to 30. As perceived by me, two of them appear in positive mood, and one of them is appear in negative mood. My title of a story is Patrolling of Area. One day, Major Dayanand was informed by his senior dad. In the local village of Raigad district was looted by many thieves and robbers from last 2 weeks. The next day, Dayanand, as informed by his senior, went to that area for patrolling. After getting nothing, he went for the rest in the camp. Suddenly, a lady came to his camp and told them about the place where the thieves and robbers hide and thieves their gold ornaments. Suddenly, Dayanand went there and found these thieves and robbers and arrested them all. After that, Dayanand also praises lady for such brave and courage. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. I perceive four characters. Three are male, one is female. The main character is Raman, who is currently posted as a major in Champaran district of Bihar. One day, a lady rushed towards him and told him that some of the dacoits have entered into her village and want to loot the villagers. So, firstly, Major informed to his seniors and even used to block the roads of the village. And with the help of drone, he used to have an look to everyone. And with the help of his seniors, he was able to rescue the dacoits. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning to all of you. What I perceive from picture, there is four characters in my story. Their age is between 20 to 40 years old. Mood is positive, in which one is female and three are male. Major Rohit Verma was the main character of my story, and he was newly appointed as the Jammu Kashmir region. One day, when Major Rohit Verma was present at that bunker, then a lady came to him and said that he saw some person with weapons behind the valley. Then with the help of drone system, he confirmed that they are terrorists, and then after he informed his higher authority and make a team with his soldier and went there. And with the help of his best efforts, they surrounded them from all sides, and with the help of best efforts, they catch them. And also suggested to his soldiers to do patrolling here, Delhi, and also with the help of drone system, take care about the region. And all the person appreciate their work, and he feel happy. Thank you.
Gentlemen, according to my perception, there are four characters in my story. Three were male, one were female, age between 18 to 25. An action of my story is spreading awareness for cleanliness. The central character of my story is Kamlesh, who is 25 years old, IPS officer newly posted in Devgarh district of Jharkhand. in a government spreading awareness camp. One day he went to nearby village and saw a lady throwing garbage on road. He suggested her to not throw garbage on road, and also told her about the effects of throwing garbage on road. He also told her and suggested her about not to throw garbage and the effect of throwing garbage on road. So after that, he put a board near that road that not to throw garbage there. Also suggest the other villagers to not throw garbage on road. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. According to my perception, there are the four characters in the story. All are in the past human and age between 20 to 30 years old. My main character is Manvendra. Manvendra, a 30 years old man working in the army. One day he went for the inspection and with his team member about awareing about the terrorists in nearby village. He told to all that please aware and get information about the terrorists. He also provide a helpline number and calling booth for the villagers. He also print a pamphlet about the helpline number and other things. By his work, a big terrorist captured by the army men, and also army appreciate his work. Thank you.
So good morning, gentlemen. The number of character perceived in my stories are 4. 3 are male and 1 is female. The central character of my story is Abhilash. Abhilash was an army officer who was posted.
Good afternoon, everyone. From the picture, I observed 4 characters. 3 are male and 1 is female. My main character and female are in positive mood and others are in neutral mood. My main character is Manmohan Thakur, who is an NCC instructor and has been assigned the duty of holding a camp for women empowerment. During the camp, he is teaching women about their legal rights, their safety and self-defense. Suddenly, one of the women comes and tells him about a fire that has been caught in the tent due to the lamp beside it. He immediately rushed to the camp and was able to save women, and with the help of his co-workers and other women. His efforts and his team's effort were appreciated, whereas the women were applauded for the skills they learned during the camp. Seeing this, the Panchayat took an initiative of conducting more and more women empowerment camps and helping women in uplifting and for the welfare of the society. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I perceive 4 characters from my story. 3 are male and 1 is female. Mood of these characters are neutral. Action of my story is spreading awareness regarding COVID-19. Main character of my story is Naveen, who was 32-year-age IPS officer currently posted in Ghaziabad district of Uttar Pradesh. During the lockdown, one day he went for patrolling in Bundi village. There he saw that the rules and precautions were not following in the village. So he took the help of the Sarpanch, and then he spread the awareness and the precautions should be taken regarding the COVID-19. He distributed the pamphlets, he distributed the rations which is needed for the needy people, and the material for the study material for the children. He also appointed the 2 policemen to look after the village so that they can control the COVID-19 situation in that village. At last, the story ends with the rate of the COVID-19 cases decreasing in the village and also in the nearby village. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. I perceive here 4 characters. The 3 are male and the 1 is female. They all are in positive mood. And my main character is Hariom. He is a senior police officer. They are on a training camp in Rajasthan, Bikaner. And the lady named Kavita, she is a local lady and appointed to cook food for them. One day, the Kavita gonna late to serve the policemen. Hariom asked she that why she gonna late. The Kavita replied that there is a shortage of water in Rajasthan at Bikaner. So Hariom taken a step for temporary sorting. He called to the municipality of that village area and he asked to them to send a water tanker. The water tanker came, and after completing his all training, Hariom went to the Jaipur main headquarters of the municipality, and he asked them and told them that why there is the shortage, and then after that they sort out all the problem, and after that they sending in a regular interval of time the tanker to that village, and in this way the whole problem is going to sort out, and they thank you. Gentlemen, I think we should give chance to everybody. Okay?
Your JD. Stop your JD. Stop. 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 Stop your JD. Chest number 2766, group number 1. Chest number 74 to 97, group number 2. Group number 2, start.
People are saying that lady is going to inform the army personnel because she has seen the bleeding. Yes, and after that,
Okay, stop your GD. Group number 1, start. Okay, stop your GD. Stop. GD doesn't mean that you have to shout continuously. This kind of usually gets washed out. Once you hear the word group discussion, पहले चीज आपके दिमाग में जो आती है, I think it is like shout करना है जितना हो सके. Is it so? जब बाहर अपने दोस्तों से डिस्कस करते हो कोई बात, is this the way you discuss anything? कैसे डिस्कस होता है? individually or organized pattern. Exactly. So in the same way in this GD also, मैक्सिमम दिक्कत कहाँ पे आ रही ग्रुप कोऑर्डिनेशन, जब लास्ट में आपकी स्टोरी ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो चुकी थी, 3 people were at the same time shouting, let us give chance to 63 now chess number to narrate our story. सेम बात पे आपका डिबेट हो रहा, हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? बिकॉज यू आर लैकिंग द ग्रुप कोऑर्डिनेशन. Here you are sitting 20 people for the maximum like TS entry or the FKR entry. Usually इधर भी देखा जा रहा है 25 people will be sitting there. और ज़्यादा मुश्किल होगा ग्रुप कोऑर्डिनेशन बनाना. Nevertheless, let's start by the individual assessment. Just number 27. Your OIR was 2. You got it doubtful in the discussion narration. Discussion और story में no है. You have a problem of stammering. Stammering बहुत हो रही है, अटक काफ़ी रहे हैं आप. Power of expression पे काफ़ी वर्क करना है. Just number 32. OIR 3. Narration पहले से काफ़ी बेहतर है. You get a doubtful in that. Discussion में फिलहाल no है. Story में doubtful है. Just number 39. OIR 3. Narration में no है. Discussion में no है. Story में doubtful. Stammering काफ़ी हो रही. Pauses काफ़ी आ रहे हैं. इलेबोरेट बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं स्टोरी को. अननेसेसरी स्टोरी को स्ट्रेच मत करो नरेशन के टाइम. ओके. जस्ट नंबर 41. OIR 3. नरेशन में नो है, डिस्कशन में डाउटफुल है, स्टोरी में नो है. स्टैमरिंग काफ़ी हो रही, नर्वसनेस काफ़ी है, एनर्जी लेवल लो है. डिस्कशन में तुम्हारा नर्वसनेस और एनर्जी लेवल हट गया तो तुम्हारी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी हो गई. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मेंस लाइक नरेशन, वहाँ पे स्ट्रेस लेवल तुम्हारे ऊपर काफ़ी हावी हो रहा. सो वर्क ऑन प्रैक्टिस मोर ऑन द नरेशन पार्ट. लेक्चरेट वगैरह की प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा करो. जस्ट नंबर 45. OIR 2. नरेशन इज़ डाउटफुल, डिस्कशन में नो, स्टोरी में डाउटफुल. फ्लुएंसी में दिक्कत आ रही, प्लस मेजर पॉइंट इन द डिस्कशन अपने अगल बगल वालों को ऐसे हाथ दिखा के रोकना नहीं है. दैट इज़ अ नेगेटिव थिंग. लेट हिम स्पीक. जस्ट नंबर 48. You can just politely say, okay gentlemen, I think just number 41 is saying very valid point. बगल वाला तो सुन लेगा. Just number 48. OIR 3. Narration doubtful, discussion no, story doubtful. Story में जो एक्शन आप ले रहे हो, स्पेसिफिक एक्शन को नरेट करो. फोकस मोर ऑन एक्शन पार्ट ड्यूरिंग द नरेशन. ठीक है. जस्ट नंबर 58. OIR 4. नरेशन में नो है, फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. डिस्कशन एंड स्टोरी एज वेल. स्टैमरिंग बहुत हो रही, नर्वसनेस काफ़ी है, गल्पिंग काफ़ी होती है. लाइक ये वाली जो हरकत है ना, गुटकना, दो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो रहा है. फोकस ऑन द कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल मोर. जस्ट नंबर 60. फिलहाल तीनों में नो है, स्टैमरिंग बहुत हो रही, पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन पे वर्क करना है. जस्ट नंबर 63. OIR 2. तीनों में फिलहाल डाउटफुल है. एसेंट पे वर्क करो, हेड मूवमेंट काफ़ी होता है, उस पर वर्क करना है. यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. ठीक है. गेट मोर कंफर्टेबल विद इंग्लिश. जस्ट नंबर 66. OIR 4. फिलहाल तीनों में अभी नो है, स्टैमरिंग काफ़ी हो रही, सेम चीज़ को रिपीट काफ़ी ज़्यादा कर रहे हो. लाइक गार्बेज ऑन द रोड वाला जो सेंटेंस था, कई बार रिपीट हुआ तुम्हारे नरेशन में. दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज इन योर थॉट्स. ठीक है. तो बी मोर ऑर्गेनाइज, डिटेल्स पर थोड़ा ज़्यादा फोकस करो. जस्ट नंबर 74. नरेशन में डाउटफुल है, डिस्कशन में नो है, स्टोरी में नो है. फ्लुएंसी पे वर्क करना है, इन्वॉल्वमेंट लेवल अभी कम है. डिस्कशन इज ओवर, उसकी फॉल्ट है, उसको भी नो मिलेगा डिस्कशन में. जस्ट नंबर 76. नरेशन में नो है, डिस्कशन में नो है, स्टोरी में भी नो है. आई कांटेक्ट नहीं हो रहा, इन्वॉल्वमेंट लेवल काफ़ी कम है ग्रुप के साथ. लोगों की बातें सुनो ज़्यादा, थोड़ी देर नहीं. आपने एक बार बोला, लोगों ने आपकी बात सुनी जब ग्रुप हाफ था, दैट वाज अ गुड परफॉर्मेंस. बट एक बार सुनने के बाद एटलीस्ट अगल बगल वालों की बातें भी सुनो. ग्रुप साइड अगल बगल से स्टार्ट करो, फिर बड़ा ग्रुप करो. डायरेक्टली लास्ट वाले पे टारगेट करोगे तो अगल बगल वालों की बात आपको समझ में नहीं आएगी. ठीक है. स्पेशली इन द फिश मार्केट, यू हैव टू फोकस मोर ऑन द पीपल सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू यू.